Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, from Vietnam. Guys, howdy. Good morning, Vietnam. And we've got something important to talk about. We've got to talk about, what's been going on with crypto. We're seeing a sideways consolidation. We're seeing lots of FUD being spreaded, but there also is some good news out there. Bitcoin ETF news happening, and so let's jump into it, guys. And also, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin in the short term. It may not be looking good for Doge, but we're gonna talk about that. We're gonna unveil the secrets and lift the veil of what's going on out there, guys. So what to expect? I know a lot of you are kind of feeling, a little bit like, what the heck is going on? This is pretty normal, guys. A little bit of consolidation is normal. Don't worry about it. Do not worry about it too much. And remember, all this financial advice, go and smack the likes like crazy out there. And let's get into the video without any further delay. And don't forget to subscribe, YB. And watch out for scammer in the contents, guys. Recently, I've noticed that in a lot of the comments, is people shilling some kind of crap out there, so watch out for that. And I'm never going to contact you in the comments and ask you to contact me or invest in this and that, guys. So watch out, there are scammers in the comments, guys. So just be careful, be aware, go back and watch all the other videos. So what do we see with the U.S. markets yesterday? Pretty much up out there. We did see some earnings come in for Tesla. Tesla earnings were good. That is pretty good. Tesla's up 50% after passing key hurdle to roll out advanced driver assistance tech in China. So that's going to be good, right? Self-driving in China. Wow. Okay. Okay. Don't let me get started on that. BTC is up about 1.39%. We're seeing Ethereum is down. A lot of the altcoins are down. Some are trying to make a comeback, like Solana is trying to make a comeback. But overall, the crypto markets are down. You can see by the crypto bubbles, more red than green. Not looking good, but it's not like down a tremendous amount. It's just like it goes up 1 or 2%, it goes down 1 or 2%. So overall, the trend is we're just doing the crabby walk, guys. So yeah, we got some Lego guys here. Lego guys. So I think this is like a Lego policeman. This is like a Lego bad guy out there. So yeah, but Legos. Distracted. Anyone like Lego? I don't know. My kid loves Lego. Anyway, so we're seeing that overall Solana is slightly up, XRP is up, Doge is down again. We're going to talk about some support resistance levels for Doge. That's important out there. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to be doing with Doge right now. Cardano is down and Shiba is down. So mainly things are down. Bitcoin, even though it's at 64,000, which is good, we're just kind of doing this seesaw pattern. And we're really kind of like range bound between 60,500 and this 69,000 level. And that's probably where we're going to stay. We're going to stay there for a while. I think maybe mid-May we'll probably start to break out of this whole cycle. Ethereum, pretty much the same. It's getting some support right now around about 3,200 is a good support level. Let's hopefully we can stay above that. What's happening news-wise? We got some big economic data coming out. We got employment costs. We got CB consumer confidence. We got ADP non-farm payrolls. We got manufacturing. We got Fed rate decision on Wednesday, guys. So let's keep an eye on that. Nothing much is going to happen till after that. Unemployment, average hourly earnings, and other stuff. So, and then we got a whole bunch of earnings coming out as well, guys. Did you know that 91% of all Bitcoin is in profit right now? That's pretty good. So if you're holding Bitcoin, you should be in profit. This is from Kelly, and he's talking about the different cycle tops after the halving. So if this cycle is anything like the other last two, a few months of sideways price actions is normal after halving. And I've been telling you this. Sideways price action is pretty normal, guys. So don't panic, okay? It makes sense from a fundamental perspective as well. Miners are making essentially half as much Bitcoin revenue as they were at the same price level several weeks ago. Miners in essence spend electricity to validate and secure the network. They also have other expenses to keep up with as far as hardware, rent, payroll, etc. For doing so, they're rewarded with Bitcoin. The Bitcoin comes from both the block reward and from fees. So expect some sideways consolidation. We're seeing that, in terms of ETFs, we're seeing more outflows and inflows. That is not good. But take a look at this. I thought this was interesting. Bitcoin is growing faster than the internet. Can you believe it? So the gray here is the internet adoption, and this is Bitcoin adoption. So if this continues, we should have massive adoption. And remember, the Bitcoin supply is finite, and if we have massive adoption, that means more demand, more price will be going up. Good news coming out. It looks like Bitcoin ETF in Hong Kong is going to be coming out. Don't forget, we got Bitcoin Asia happening in Hong Kong on May 9th to 10th out there, guys. So yeah, Bitcoin ETF start trading this week, April 30th. That's today. So when the bell opens up in Hong Kong, we should see it starting, and hopefully that's going to bring up the prices, guys. Also, just in Australia, also approved a spot Bitcoin ETF as well. So everybody's getting on the bandwagon. There's been a lot of FUD right now. There was some FUD that China is banning crypto. No, China is not banning crypto. That is just FUD. So that is one of the reasons why Bitcoin has been going down, because of this FUD out there. So it's just FUD. Get out of there. Get out of there. FUD. So let's take a look at the returns for April. We're still down 10%, but year to date we're up. If you take a look at the leverage apes, what are the apers doing? We're seeing right now in 24 hours 95 million longs and shorts. So we're seeing more. We're seeing it's almost equal, right? So the market makers are just kind of like taking a step back, wondering what's going on, and yeah, basically consolidation is what's happening. Meme coins, market capitalization, yeah, it's 50 billion. OG can't count. Got it, caps. OG can't count. Lego. Yeah, so it's at 50 billion. It's down. Everything's kind of down, right? I know it's pretty boring. Dogecoin is also down, 1443 out there. News-wise, nothing really big news-wise. It's just kind of like out there, and we're just going up and down, guys. So yeah, Dogecoin right now, it's fallen below my 1450 support level, and hopefully we can get up there, but it's not looking good for the Doge right now, guys. So however, things might turn in Doge favor in the coming days as a bullish pattern forms on the 6-hour chart. A successful breakout above this pattern could result in a massive bull rally, which might allow Doge to recover. So we're talking about this whole triangle here. If we can break about that, it's going to be good. But right now, it's not looking good for the Doge because we are below 1450. If we do not get below 1450, it's looking bad. And yeah, it's not looking optimal, guys. Not looking optimal at all right now from that perspective. So yeah, it's not looking good. And here, let me just show you more stuff and more reasons why it's not looking good. Okay, so if we take a look at this as well, we can see here that Dogecoin volume has dropped. So we're seeing a lot of volume has dropped for Doge over the last week. However, at press time, the graph started to increase a little bit. So we're starting to see things go up, but prices are still going down. So this is bearish, guys. Not good at all. Also, too, we're seeing that the chance of Doge initiating a bull run look rather thinner than we expected. And if we take a look at the MACD is also bearish. The MACD, we need to flip green. That's not happening. And also we're seeing the relative strength index as well. It's also registered a downtick, which is headed further below the neutral mark, and that is not good. So we're below the neutral mark here. That is not good, guys. These indicators suggest that investors might witness Doge price fall further. So yeah, it on the short term it doesn't sound good. So I put a ladder buy order in here, down around about 13.5. I put one at 12. So I've got some ladder orders in for Doge. If they get filled, yippee. If they don't get filled, so what? So I got some limit orders out there. So remember, I'm not telling you to day trade. I don't do that. Who's in the money for the Doge right now? Who's in the money? So it's important, guys, to stay wary. Don't panic out there. And if you can buy Dogecoin cheaper at lower prices, then do it. Just freaking do it. But remember, never invest your rent. Never invest your college fund of your kids. But overall, 80% of Dogecoin holders are still in the money. So from that perspective, it's positive, right? Also coming to you guys, Twitter will become a full-service financial service app soon. And we have 25 U.S. transmitter licenses. And what can we expect? Well, wallet account payments to any user, interest on funds, shopping, subscription, tipping. It's a matter of time, guys. Once again, exchanges are never safe. Get your crypto off exchanges, get them on a hardware wallet, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Other update, looks like today is the amended date Coinbase is going to be launching the Dogecoin future. So hopefully that will happen when the U.S. markets open, and we'll see Doge rise, guys. Let's hope Dogecoin rise. So 50 cents incoming for Doge, coming soon. Do you believe Doge? Yeah, we're going to get there eventually. Like I said, all-time high should be coming around September, Halloween. It's going to happen, guys. I thought this was kind of funny, and it's true. Saving 1 penny a day is $365,000 at the end of 3 years. Let that sink in, guys. 1 penny a day. Wow. Don't discount the pennies, guys. Don't discount the pennies. So, guys, go follow me on my Twitter. I appreciate it. We talked about loading up yesterday. Definitely a good time to be loading up. A lot of good stuff out there. We talked about X, Calio. We talked about what else we got going on. Yeah, moon dust. I'm smelling the moon dust. I think this is funny.
Ooh, oh yeah, baby, smell the moon dust.
Yeah, moon dust. And Doge is going to get you. Watch out for the Doge. Doge is Jaws out there. So, yeah, a lot of good stuff out there for Doge. Hello, brother and sister. Good morning, good evening. I appreciate you guys. So, I'll see you in the freaking next one, guys. Be well. Be blessed. Be anything you want to be. Peace out.